For research applications, we advise students to look onto the online prospectus, look at the research division and then apply onto My Application, which is the online admission system. There's very clear information on the research pages and also information about the supervisors and any research projects that King's are involved in. If an applicant has identified a supervisor in a particular research area, we'd advise that they try and contact them directly and then find out whether they're actually taking on any PhD students at that point. The deadlines for research really depend across the division. Majority of the schools will recruit all year. We'll keep in touch with applicants through the My Application pages online, so we will usually send messages so that students are updated about any information or any changes to their application form. We always advise applicants to try and proofread their applications before they submit it. I would advise applicants to make sure that they upload as much information as possible, particularly for research. They should try and identify their supervisor and make sure they've got enough information on their research proposal so that we can identify the research area and the division that that application needs to go to.
In the research proposal we would hopefully see some good ideas, but principally that the student understands the nature of the work that's going on in the lab that they're applying for and demonstrate the prior research that they've done in understanding what it is they're trying to get into. The qualities we'd be looking for would be for students who are proactive, who are going to engage in the laboratory to produce their own science and who want to contribute significantly to knowledge. The best advice in an application would be to demonstrate enthusiasm for the project that you aspire to and be honest so that you can be best fitted to that project.
I think the strongest PhD candidates definitely have a very good academic track record. I think also it's important to have a genuine interest in the topic that you want to do research on, because you've got to stick with it for 3 years and you've got to go into a lot of detail on it. I want to see some originality of ideas. I want to see something that shows that they've thought about the topic that they're interested in and they're able to come up with a way to progress that topic themselves. I want to see that the student has at least started to think about how they're going to translate those ideas into a realistic plan for research. I will often meet potential students and discuss their ideas with them and help them to shape them into a feasible proposal. And a really good PhD proposal will have a clear and feasible plan for how the research is going to be carried out.